Hannah here from Choices Markets, and I'm here to help you enjoy healthy, home-cooked meals made simply. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite recipes, a delicious eggplant zucchini pasta sauce that you can serve with any pasta you have in your pantry. I'll be using brown rice fusilli. The ingredients for this recipe are simple, but yield an incredible flavor and pack a nutritional punch. We're also using foods that are especially supportive to the immune system, which is of course critical during this time. This sauce is so simple to make, but so tasty. Everyone at your table will be thinking you're a top chef. So let's get cooking.